Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you will have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Languages and Input, Languages, Add language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. You have suggested ones. I don't know if I should select one of those, but there's also all languages here. So let's select maybe... No. Let me just select some language. For example, here, Ukrainian. And then to change language to Ukrainian, you just have to drag it on top, and after that, language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the, налаштування, then to Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.